Hello, what's your name?
My name is Melanie Dakanay.
How old are you?
I'm 43 years old.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids you have?
3 kids.
How old are they?
23, the daughter, and the 2 boys is 14 years old and 10 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
3 years, 6 months.
Okay, do you have any work experience in other countries?
I had, in Singapore.
How many years?
4 years, ma'am.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
Now, 1 year, 6 months.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
Living in Shatin City 1.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
981.
How many family member there?
There are 2 kids and my mom and sir.
Okay, so how old the kid?
10 years old and 12 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at 6:30 or 6 o'clock. And I do my daily routine like cooking, cleaning.
Okay, do you go market?
Always, every day. Ma'am.
Okay, so how about what time you cook for the dinner?
I cook at about 6,
So what time they eat?
7 or 8.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
9:30, ma'am, or 10.
Okay, thank you so much.